DIY balloon cake topper tutorial. This is a stunning green, turquoise, orange, gold confetti and chrome balloon cake topper. Great for kids parties, safari parties or any other that you can think of. For this we are using straws as well as wooden skewers. We are using balloons, 2 of which are confetti. We're using metal craft wire and 2 glue dots. As always, we are going to inflate the balloon with a hand pump. We are pushing the nozzle into the balloon to give it a round bubble effect. The balloon pump we are using is by Qualitex. They are very fantastic, great quality, and they blow air in when you pull out and back into the pump. So both ways they are blowing air into the balloon. Great to invest in one, especially if you have parties throughout the year. So simply we are using a hand pump, blowing the air into the balloon with about 2 pumps and then tying it. You can make the balloons any sizes you like. We are going for similar sizes in this look. What colour balloon cake topper would you like me to make next? Comment on the box below and let me know. This chrome gold balloon is a very stunning colour. It's one of my favourites. It just makes any cake topper stand out. And we're adding this orange one in it just to give it a more pop effect. The confetti balloons are blown the same way. Just when you tie the knot, just be sure that there's no confetti stuck in between, because that would make the air escape after it's been blown. Also, make the confetti stick around the balloon. You want to just rub the balloon with the palm of your hand or a microfiber cloth. That would make it come out static, just like I'm doing so here. Now get 2 colours of your choice and put them together. This is called a duplet. Tie it nice and tightly and securely. If you wish, you can cut off the ends of the balloons, but I do prefer to leave them on. If you do cut them too close, then the air will escape from the balloon and make them flat. You can mix colours also. It totally depends on the look you're going for. There's no right or wrong at all. It's completely your idea and it's completely your creativity. We have a spare balloon we can use if we need it. Now we are going to open our craft wire and select a pair of balloons, a duplet, and wrap the metal wire around it. Next, get another duplet, put the first one flat on the surface and push down the next pair and secure it with the wire. We'll then get the third duplet and secure that with the previous ones. We'll then get the fourth set and place it on the previous one and secure it into place. You're almost making a mini arch balloon. So with the spare confetti balloon, what I'm doing here is using a glue dot to add it onto the balloon garland. This way you can select which side you want to put it on. And there we go, the balloon garland is ready. Do remember to secure the wire and just hide it away. Now get the wooden skewers and apply the glue dots onto them. You'll then place these inside the balloons, preferably out of sight. What I'm doing here is I'm adding 2 straws. It just adds that a little bit of more fun look to it. There we go, that's ready to move on to the next stage. Here what we're doing is we're adding gold ribbons. As you can see, I'm just trimming the ends off to make it look a little bit more pretty. Very simply done, just by getting a pair of scissors and cutting the ends. You can place these ribbons onto any selected balloons and just pull them down so they're kind of dangling down. And there we go, this stunning balloon cake topper is now ready to use. Stunning for safaris, jungle themes or anything you can think of. Thanks for watching.